the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Maryam and her grandfather. Maryam was lucky as she and her mother lived with her grandparents. She liked nothing better than to spend time with her grandfather. You see, he was always making something and she enjoyed watching, learning, and sometimes even helping him finish whatever he was doing. Grandfather, what are you building in your workshop today? Maryam asked. She giggled as she said, "It looks like you are playing with two long sticks." Well, Maryam, he said, I am going to make two walking sticks with your help. One for you and one for me. Then I have a surprise. All right, Maryam giggled. Where do I start? You can start from polishing these sticks, replied grandfather. After some time, Maryam finished her work on the walking sticks with her grandfather's help. Those were two of the most beautiful walking sticks she had ever seen. With the bark removed, they were polished smooth and each had a funny-looking face carved in them. These are really nice, Maryam said, but what do we do with them? We use them whenever we go for a hike, he replied. Maryam was very happy and so was her grandfather.